All right, another empty table. And it's lower, which if you haven't figured out by now, that means something big is gonna sit on top of it. So let's get it. Here, this is the BeQuiet Lightbase 500. This is the non-RGB model. I'll tell you why in a minute. Never seen it besides on the screen, as I almost slashed my throat opening the case because I wasn't paying attention. And yes, it's black. Okay. I'm gonna turn it this way, and for a good reason. Because this case has something, and what caught my attention when I watched it at the convention, which is, as you know, very important. And it'd be nice if the plastic wasn't stuck. All right, Lightbase 500. What do you see that sticks out? I could tell you what I see as I shock myself again. There's nothing here. Why? Because BeQuiet decided their cases don't have enough air coming in. Let's put a whole giant vent there. So, BeQuiet decided to build a case with, what I can only think of is just, we're going for monster airflow. And you know me, the more intake, the better. As long as your fans are set up the right way, which I'm not gonna do a video on that. You guys should, if you don't know, there's plenty of videos out there. Again, I try not to get too techie. You've seen in the past where I've done some descriptions of how you should really, you know, place your fans, intake and exhaust. But balance and airflow. Real quick, this was a request from a friend for their grandson because he's a good kid, and she, who knows nothing about computers, she just says, can you upgrade? Yes, we can. No, but like, can you build? Yes, we can. Can you make it so that you're good for a long time? When I show you the hardware, you'll understand. Now, I found out what games he plays, so I tailored the build toward that. It will aesthetically be minimal RGB, but very, well, the theme will be fitting. Obviously it'll be dark. But anyway, Lightbase 500. I've never taken this apart. There's a lip here, so I'm guessing that comes off. And it does. And let's move that. Front glass comes off. Side glass comes off. There are 2 screws on top. The front glass, I'm not sure if it's screwed in. No, it pops here. You know what, we'll leave the cardboard on for now. But there's your front glass. 2 screws, pops out. Now, if, real quick, if you are going to, let me turn this sideways, if you're going to replace, so the fans are on an angle. So understand what you're looking at here. Fresh air is going to come in and push in on an angle, which means your fans are on an angle, which means your fan bracket is on an angle. So if you are going to replace the fans, we are not. There's a screw right here. This lifts up, comes out, and then you drop it back down. Pretty simple, all right? Back of the case. Oh, and let me just go over, so before I do that. You have a 120 exhaust fan pre-built in. You have 3 120 reverse fans bringing air in. On the bottom, you will bring in air with 3 more 120s. Well, you don't have to. but we're going to. Because again, airflow monster case, why not? All right? But I wanted to show you that. So 1, 3, 3, and same thing on the top. 3 120s, AIO or air-cooled. While I have it here, because I felt like giving BeQuiet some more business, Dark Rock Elite. If you go to my YouTube shorts, I built the light base 600 and I used the Dark Rock Pro. I figured we'd go Elite because it has a nice little light on it. And because we're going black, we're gonna go really black, and I've never used it before, but I just got it. The NZXT N7 B850. We're going dark, dark. So yeah, BeQuiet. Big fan. One of the best air coolers you can buy. Oh, so I wanted to show you the back, which, let's see, I don't remember, I think you pop it out this, okay, good. Back off, out. I just learned something. Because I didn't buy the RGB one, because we're not doing RGB, the RGB hub and PWM hub is not here. Don't worry, we'll put one in. But I did want to show you, even if whether it comes with one or not, your bracket is, you can move it. You can move it around. So, and there's some tie downs there. And of course they put their BeQuiet logo, looks very nice. And we'll get, when we're done, we'll cable manage it and we'll make it look pretty. And buddy, you're getting a good one. Stay tuned for the build. Yeah. BeQuiet. See you soon.